What is going on YouTube? I am here today with a video for you guys of my bike ride from Bangalore to Coorg. So the gang and I left from our place around 5:30 in the morning. It was dark at the time obviously, so most of the clips that I recorded at that time haven't come out that great, which is why I am adding a voiceover on this beautiful clip that I recorded somewhere in Coorg to give you guys a small intro of what this video is going to be about. The main problem here is that the stock headlight on the Interceptor isn't bright enough, which is why it could barely be seen in the recordings. Otherwise, the camera was doing pretty well under low light situation. By the way, the camera that I'm using is a DJI Osmo Action 3. Anyways, I will be adding a couple of clips that I recorded early in the morning to give you guys a glimpse of the low light recordings later on in the video. So yeah, let's get into it.
ಏನು ಹಂಪೆ ಹಂಪುಗುರು ಕಾಣ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಸ್ಪೆಷನ್ ಹೊಡೆದ ಅನ್ಸೋದು ನಂದು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಎಗ್ರಿಸಿನಂದರೆ ವಾವ್ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್, ವಾಟ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಮ್. Oh my god. Oh my god, how did I not see that? Alright guys, so the time is 6:51 now and the sun is out finally. So we just made it to Mandya, so we have another hour to go. So it seems the guys in the car actually ended up taking the expressway, so they're already in Mysore by now. So they just sent us our location and they're like, we've reached. So we have another hour to go. So yeah, let's try and cover it up as soon as we can. Literally not able to see any speed bumps today because that was not terrible, but on the service road, my god, most of the speed bumps are not even painted. Forget about reflectors, they are not even painted. I flew past so many speed bumps today. I don't know how badly I have hurt the suspension of the bike. It is really upsetting, you know, when you go on speed bumps like that and you can't even help it. Wow, it is so cold. I've got my jacket with the armor padding and everything, and it still feels cold. Okay, I think we're back to the expressway service road. Yeah, we just crossed Mandya. It's around 7:30 and we just ended the Mysore Expressway. Finally. Our friends in the car just gave us a call, and they gave us a call and they're like, they'll be moving on. Yeah, I understand they waited for more than an hour. So yeah, they said that they will be going forward. So Pratik and I are going to stop by at Hotel Mailari for a quick bite. We haven't had anything since the time we left. So, alright guys, change of plans. It seems the car gang has stopped near Hotel Gandhada Gudi. Yeah. So yeah, we just go quickly and catch up with them. They have been waiting for such a long time. ಮಚ್ಚಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಾನೇ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು ನಾವು. ಓಹೋ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಕಳ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳೋಣ. ಈಗ ಕಳ್ಸೋಣ. You know what, I'm not sure if we're going in the right direction, so I'm just gonna ask him to send a location, and that way we would be more accurate. Bengaluru bro. Bengaluru. ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ? ಏನು ಸ್ಕೂಲಾ? ಟ್ಯೂಷನಾ? ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಇವತ್ತು? ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಟ್ಯೂಷನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲು. ಸೂಪರ್ ಮಗ. ಏನು ಬ್ರೋ? ಫೋನು ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಈಗ. ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಗಂಧದ ಗುಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಗಂಧದ ಗುಡಿ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಹ್ಞೂ, ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್. ಹೌದು ಬ್ರೋ. ಹ್ಞೂ. I guess that was the correct location. Okay. Mysore is a really beautiful place. Wow, man. Really love how Mysore looks. So beautiful. So elegant. Just looking like a wow. Damn. Okay, we are 10 minutes out. Finally gonna get to see the gang again. Man, I really hate commuting from Bangalore to Mysore. That service road is a pain, believe me. Should I squeeze through? Never mind. What are these two drivers cribbing about? probably sad that one guy has less passengers and the other guy has more. Honestly, it's a little tough to, keep looking at my phone down like this. I think I'll just move my phone to my phone holder. I guess it'll be easier to look at directions that way. But, I feel the touch sensitivity is better on this one, on the tank bag, rather than the holder. Finally, we are finally here. I don't see anybody in there though. Hey, where bro next? Where are we going?
So yeah, the guys were getting a little impatient with me because I was taking up quite a bit of time to gear up and set up my recording equipment. Also, I'll have to try and figure out a better position for the microphone inside my helmet so that the audio gets recorded better with the wind noise and everything. By the way, this is the same microphone that I'm using to record this voiceover, and honestly, it is a pretty good microphone. So the only thing I have to do is find a better position for it inside the helmet so that next time onwards the audio is recorded better while I'm riding. Anyways, we headed straight to the Golden Temple in Kushal Nagar after stopping for breakfast. Yeah, that was a quick recap of the Golden Temple. So after the Golden Temple, we headed straight to our destination, that is the Little Bungalow Homestay, which is a little outside Somwarpet. So on the way, we came across some really good roads with good curves, so I was able to record a few clips for you guys for some pure sound content. So hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so we reached our destination around 2 pm with only 2 stops in between. That is one for breakfast at Hotel Gandadagudi and then one more at the Golden Temple. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.